Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Smart Money Empire. In this video I'm going to show you how to download from TikTok without watermark. TikTok without watermark. If you are looking to download videos from Facebook, don't forget to watch my previous video on how to download videos from Facebook to your mobile device. Okay, so in this video I'm going to walk you through how to download from TikTok without watermark. Okay, so let's do that. So all you just need to do is to open your TikTok. Let's say you want to download this particular video now.
The biggest lesson I learned this year is to not force anything. Conversations, relationships, friendships, attention.
So let's say you want to download this one. So what you just need to do is to click on this button here, down here. This button. See, it's a share button. So click on it. Then you see where they write copy link. This one, copy link. So click on that. You say link copied. So now you go again to our browser. Then go to this website. Go to this website. Safetick.co. Safetick.co. So click on this space and what we just copied, paste it there. Then click on download. Remember the site is safetick.co. Safetick.co. It will allow you to download videos with TikTok video without watermark. So you can see the different options here. Download MP4, download MP4 2, download MP4 HD, download MP3. MP3 is just the audio without the video. So it says TikTok video download application, Android phone with no watermark. So let's click on this first one, download MP4. Close this ad. So you can see it's downloading now. So after download, you play it. You see that this one, the one we saw on TikTok.
Love.
Normally it's supposed to
if it's forced, it's not worth fighting for.
It's supposed to have a watermark, okay? Then, but this one we just downloaded with no have watermark. Let's see it.
The biggest lesson I learned this year is to not force anything. Conversations, relations.
Again, go to File Manager, internal download. See the right download. Videos. You can see Safetick. So you cannot rename it if you want. You can rename the video. Rename. You can make it something like inspirational video. So let's play it. Let's play it on our phone and see if that's watermark.
The biggest lesson I learned this year is to not force anything. Conversations, relationships, friendships, attention.
No TikTok watermark on it. So that's how to download videos from TikTok without watermark. So in my next video I'm going to show you how to download videos from Instagram without watermark. Okay, so don't forget to come back to my YouTube channel. If you have not done so, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.